All right, time for the next project. So, Allie actually got me a dartboard for my birthday. So I figured it would be cool to make a dartboard cabinet. Yeah, so you can probably hear the puppies in the background. Rooney really wants to play with the ball that's up there. Rooney, go play with Piper's, the rope thingy. Yeah, buddy. All right, anyways, but I figured it would not only look a lot better having like a cabinet, but also it would help from me sticking darts into the drywall, which will inevitably happen. So I'm just going to make this nice little design here. I'm not for sure if I'm going to paint it afterwards or not. This isn't the highest quality of wood on here, but I was just wanting to get a little something since it's just going to sit here in the garage. But I've kind of got it drawn up a little bit here. Actually, that's terrible. It's a terrible drawing. But it's going to be about 24 inches by 24 inches, which I found these boards that fit perfectly. Of course, they're actually 23 3/4, I guess. And then it'll have two kind of cabinet-looking things coming off of it. And I also got some hinges and other random stuff here to, Rooney wants to blow up the hinges, to go with it. But we'll kind of get started into this and see how it looks at the end. All right, got it all cut, made a huge mess in here, but all the wood is cut, so these will be the doors. Just take them right off. Then we've got the sides cut here, all different lengths. And I cut them about 4 inches, so that way it should give plenty of room to maybe store something up underneath the door, like the darts and stuff. I think it'll look pretty good. Next up, just gotta assemble it all. So we'll see how that goes. All right, here we go. We got it hung up and ready to go for the most part. Yeah, looks pretty good, I think. Still missing a few things on it, like the latch on the outside that'll hold it closed. So we still need to get that. For now, I've just got these down here, these nails, and I'll put a rubber band. But as you can see, it just opens up kind of like this. And both of these, just kind of based off of gravity, will hold back. But I can get a strap maybe that'll keep them held back if I need to. The dartboard looks nice and centered up there, and we definitely have plenty of room back here to throw some darts. Puppies are chewing on tennis balls, but we've got a nice natural line right here. Throw it, hit some darts. So me and Allie played a little bit. She kicked my butt every time, but I'll get better. Anyways, so on the side here, I'm wanting to put some holders where I can put these darts at, and maybe a scoreboard on the other side. So I think that'll be pretty cool. And then I'm wanting to stain the outside and probably the inside of this with a stain of some sort, just to make it look better. I mean, this isn't the best quality wood that I used. As you can see, it's still got the writing, but I think it's cool. I think it's got some character. I don't need anything perfect because, as you can see, it's gonna be hit by darts. I threw a couple up in here, actually, even one into the drywall earlier, but this is gonna be peppered with darts, so it's not like I need incredible quality wood. This wood will actually be a little bit better because it won't show the dart holes as well. So yeah, it's hung up and looking good and leveled. And there's just a few more things I'm gonna do to it before it's completed. All right, we got some upgrades down here in the office. So here is the coffee bar that I was mentioning we were wanting to get. So the fridge fits in here nicely. We've got it stocked full of all sorts of good stuff here. Some water and pop and coffee. And over here we got all the, well, just put this in. The shelves and stuff with the coffee bar. Are you guys trying to get on camera? Ernie, move out of the way, buddy. I'm trying to video. Oh my goodness. All right, I will stand up. They just want to play. Anyways, so it's pretty cool. So I've got everything I basically need here to make coffee while I'm at work. So it works out perfectly. Pretty cool stuff. Okay, so the staining process is complete on the cabinet. Might not look like it, but I love the color. So it's kind of like a, what is this color? Ip.6 pine. But as you can see, it's a lot darker than what just regular wood color is right here. But I really do like it. And so I didn't want anything really dark because when you throw the darts, and it'll put a hole. If it's got it really dark, it'll show the color of that original wood on there, and you'll be able to see every little hole that's in this thing. But right now, like this, with this color, it conceals it pretty good. It puts a protective coat on it, and yeah, I just like it. Blends in well. So pretty good project so far with the dartboard. I'll probably update you all later on when I get the stuff on the side, like the scoreboard and the little dart holder, but that might be a little bit before I get ideas on how I want to do that. But yeah, pretty cool. All right, guys, thanks for watching another video. Yeah, I know I said that it probably wouldn't be any more of these till springtime, but there happens to be a couple little projects that I can do around here in the garage with the dogs here. They've been helping me out. So we've been working in the garage a little bit. So yeah, who knows? There might be a few more episodes just as I kind of get some things put in here after Christmas time. But yeah, thanks for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see more of these.